Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cash out on JustPlay. Cashing out on JustPlay is simple, quick, and offers multiple payout options to suit your preferences. With the app, you can cash out every 3 hours, though some vendors like PayPal require a minimum amount due to transaction fees. To cash out via PayPal, open the JustPlay app, tap the cash out button in the top right corner, enter your PayPal email address, full name, exactly as registered with PayPal, and your address, then type in the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the cash out. Your funds should appear in your PayPal balances within moments. For the best experience, double check that your account details are correct to avoid delays. You can also explore other payment methods such as e-wallets and find more information through the Just Play app support to ensure a smooth and hassle-free withdrawal every time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.